Hi, I'm Arvelyn Lewis and I sell real estate in the suburbs of Atlanta. Today I'm going to go in and show you this beautiful 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath home in Atlanta, the city. It's near Emory University, Centers for Disease Control. Um, Lots of things that are very convenient and popular to live near. So let's see what this one is doing. Close that door. This is what your guests are going to see when they first come in the front door. So we've got this really nice ceiling light fixture. On the left, there is a bedroom here. It could easily be used as a bedroom or an office because it's right here in front. It does have ceiling lighting, and there's a closet there. It already has the shelf organization system. This home is completely floored with hardwoods. On the right, you have the dining room area. This would be the area that would be formal. And there's that solar system light that is becoming very popular in the new construction as this is. Here we have the half bath. This would be where your guests would come and relieve themselves. Got high ceilings here. And you would store your towels and various things there. And again, the ceilings are high. They're probably more like 11 feet. We've got here a washer dryer area, as well as you're going to use this area as the mudroom. There's the seating and a place to put your raincoats or coats and shoes and things like that, because it's coming in right there from the garage area. So this is where you would enter the home. Once you drive into the garage, you're going to come right into this area. So we've got the front door there and the mudroom access right here. Nice tile floor there. So once you come into the main area of the home, you're going to notice that there's these beautiful windows, and the windows all around are definitely becoming the most popular things that we can sell in new construction. The kitchen area right here in front of us, we've got the waterfall island countertop, seating. All of it is here together with the white subway tiles, ever popular. Then we've got cones for lighting over the island with a flat ceiling and light inserts. Kitchen is very nice. Stainless steel appliances. Over there in the adjoining area, there is the butler's pantry. We'll go over there to see what it's doing. Right there you can see you've got a Sharp microwave oven, and the dishwasher is there. Thermidor stove or hood range, and the stove. 6 burners. And as I said, we would check out what's going on in this butler's pantry. We've also got the walk-in pantry here. But if you're butler or you've got a catering event that you're preparing, this would be where you would stage your items. And your pantry is here, so you can walk in there and store all of your cans and boxes. So the wine chiller, and of course space for the wine. Here again, right back at the solar system lighting where the formal dining will take place. So let's go back around and check out this formal living area. So the eat-in kitchen would be right there. This is where your dining table would go. And then over here, we've got that beautiful staircase that goes up to the living quarters. And here, the bookcase or organization system for your knickknacks. But that dark space that you see there is the fireplace, and the hearth goes, or the mantle. There is no actual mantle, but there's just the wall. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. And then right outside here, we have the area where you can have your barbecues or just some lovely outdoor furniture to read a book on a Sunday. Now, the great thing about this house is it does have the master or the owner's suite on the main level. So let's step on in here and see what the owner's suite has to offer. Again, this house is fully decked out with hardwood floors, so everywhere that you go, there's going to be hardwood flooring. You'll also have access to that same deck that we looked at right there on that door, and it is a very nice and spacious backyard. Lots of room to play around if you like, and the terrace level can be accessed from here also, so that right underneath this deck there is another deck area. So now we have here the spa-like bathroom. We've got a free floating or freestanding bathtub there. Here, the shower, and you can see the rain shower head, and then there's some other handheld water dispensers there in the corner. You can see them. The water closet is back there. There's some shelving and storage areas that you can see. And there you see me. Here we've got a light colored hardwood, or actually it's a tile. And the lighting is on the mirrors. Very nice bathroom. And this again is the owner's suite. The closet organization system is already installed. There's one side and there is the other. Got some pretty good space in here. So now we're gonna come out of here, and you can see right there, this area takes you down to the terrace level, and upstairs, the sleeping quarters or additional bedrooms. We've got 2 on the main level, and there are 3 upstairs with additional bathrooms. So this home is listed in the Atlanta market for $1.4 million. It is on the market currently, and if I can help you with getting this home or any other home that is available in the metro Atlanta area, just give me a call. I'd love to help you. And if you're enjoying these tours, feel free to go ahead and click on the next one. I'm Arvelyn Lewis. I sell real estate. I'd love to be a realtor.